53-year-old veteran of the Army. I've been hand cycling for a good couple months, I think. It's great. It's helping me out with my health issues. My blood pressure's coming down, breathing better. Made a bunch of changes in my lifestyle, and just it's a way to get out and get healthy.
When I met Peter, he was pretty down and depressed, and I recognized right away that he was in need of something to get him out and get him going. And I immediately introduced him to hand cycling, and the first day he did 15 miles after not having done anything with his arms for a long time.
A lot hit me in 2020, and I lost my mom, lost my leg, my jaw, I wasn't able to work anymore, and I was very depressed, and I even contemplated suicide, but I had to kind of pull it together and just figure out that life's not over. And
his life has been turned around in the last year, losing his leg, losing his job, losing his house. So depression was knocking on the door for Peter, and once he got out on the bike, you could just see his life opening up again. You know, his desire to be out there, to be independent, to be free, to go fast on a hand cycle just all came out. So just thrilled to have him as part of the team.
And I'm just trying to get myself healthy, so this whole adaptive sports program has given me the opportunity to get in one of these bikes and get out there and ride and meet some people, and it's been a blessing to me. I do like to go fast, and it's just me and the bike, and whoever's in front of me, I just focus on them and try and get around them. My competitive nature, I guess.
He's a doer. He's a giver, and he's already offering to give back by fixing our hand cycles, putting on tubes and tires. He was a mechanic. He's just a great guy. That's Peter.
Ascension. I feel pretty blessed to be a part of the team. I haven't been a part of anything before like that. You know, getting out on this hand cycle has given me my health back. You know, there's no question about it.